Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Agnp Adult Core Exam Prep app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Agnp Adult Core Exam Prep is a study resource designed to help Adult-Gerontology Nurse Practitioner students prepare for their certification exams. The app provides topic-based practice questions, detailed rationales, clinical guidelines, and review materials that follow major Agnp exam blueprints. It also includes progress tracking, customizable quizzes, and timed practice tests to help learners simulate real exam conditions. Many users find it helpful for reinforcing clinical knowledge, reviewing adult care concepts, and identifying weak areas before the actual certification exam. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many learners appreciate the clear explanations, structured question banks, and the ability to study anytime from mobile. The app is considered especially useful for last-minute revision and for breaking down complex gerontology topics into digestible segments. Users also like the rationales, which help them understand why an answer is correct. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users feel that the question bank could be larger, and certain topics may not be as in-depth as expected. The app may not always match the exact difficulty level of the real Agnp exam. Additionally, advanced features like full-length mock exams or expanded question sets often require a subscription. In summary, the Agnp Adult Core Exam Prep app may be worth using if you want structured practice questions, helpful rationales, and mobile-friendly study tools for your Agnp exam preparation. However, if you prefer extensive question banks or rely on full-length mock exams, you may need to pair this app with additional resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.